you should write this on the board, okay? Okay. Do you remember? Yes, it's yes. Okay. Right now. If you have finished, give me back. I check up and then give me back. After that, write your names. Write your names. It's for you. I will it in for you. You are right. Now, normally, you are right. What about reinforce? You're right. Reinforce. You're right. And in your class, you're also. Okay, you're right. So, have you finished? Give me back. Yes, it's much easier to the tricky students. You quickly. Okay. Okay, give me. So, children, look at the board. Look at the picture. What are the children doing? How do you think? Okay, somebody.
They are watching phone and
phone and tablet. They use tablet and they use what? Earphones. Yes. Okay, thank you. Who wants to tell me, please? What are they doing? Look at the picture. What are they doing? You see that? Okay.
they are watching phone and computer.
Okay. They are watching on a table. That's table.
They are looking at their computer. They are looking at their.
Just like me. Okay, very good. Who wants to tell? Come on, Dada. Come on, Dada. Please, let's hear the opinion on the girls. Okay, girls, stand up. Okay, they are listening to music. Okay, very good. Someone. Okay, very good. They are playing computer. They are playing game on a tablet or on your mobile phone. Okay, what else?
Children are playing mobile phone.
Okay, they are playing a mobile phone. What else? Who wants? Come on, Dada. You see what? They are? What? For example, she is listens music, yes, on your mobile phone. Okay, thank you. Okay, computer. Works at the I like chat online. Yes. Okay. Yes. Chat online. I like chat online. Okay.
I like use mobile phone.
Okay. Very good. Yes.
Text messages.
Okay. Do you like text messages? Okay.
Mobile phone.
Okay. I like. Yeah. I like use a mobile phone. I
use
use
a mobile phone.
a mobile phone. Okay. Next. Who wants? Get a chat.
I like use a mobile phone.
Use a mobile phone. Okay. Exercise number 3. Look at the board. Just repeat after me. Okay, you need to write names. Call me. Which action? Sing me with it. Call me. Okay. Good luck. Give me 5. Yes. No, give me 5. Yes. Please. It's okay. Please. Okay. Hurry. Again. Repeat. Call me. Good luck. Okay. Give me 5. It's okay. Please. Hurry. Okay. Just you should play again. Who wants? Come to the blackboard. Each other tries guess correct answer, okay? Yani на жерде береміз айтамыз, береміз көрсетеміз, екінші сол аталып айтамыз, okay? Let's start. Кім апай? Қарамаймыз. Салам қойып жатыр. Give me. Сен шәкеме көрсет. Сала. Бұл маңда. Give me. High five. Сәл sit down. Okay, very good. It's right. Let's put it up. Sit down. Get yourself. That's good. Қарамаймыз. Okay, Call me, yes? Call me, okay, call me, sit down. Come, you, sorry. Okay, thank you. Just you should write in your copybook. In your copybook. Тек кто смотрят, write only correct answer. Okay? Yeah, те, кто смотрят, бір кесіп қайсы, кесіп шейітпа. Соң дүсін жазасың. Екі кесіп шейітпа, дүсіп қайсы. Те, кто смотрит, кесіп жазады. Жарайсың. Те, кто жауабын жазады. Те, кто жауабын жазады. Exercise up. Неге қасорға? Қасорға. 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 Exercise number 4. What did you understand today's lesson? What did you understand? бүгінгі сабақта не түсіндің? Did you like this today's lesson? Okay, honey.
Understood.
Не түсіндің? Бүгінгі сабақта не түсіндің?
Phone.
Use your phone. Communicate with any sentences. What else? Thank you. Sit down. Did you like today's lesson? Okay. Did you like today's lesson?